Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sell tickets in Squarespace. First, go ahead and log into your account and choose the site where you want to sell a ticket into. Once inside, on the left panel, click on Products and Services. After that, choose on Products. Now go ahead and add a product on the top right. For here, choose on Group Events. Now choose your store and continue. After that, just add in a product name. For example, I'm gonna add in here Summer Art Camp Ticket, and you can also add in a description if you'd like. Also add a button text. You can also include an image and set the pricing for it. Now for the stock, just add in a number or the quantity of the ticket. After done on customizing, just go ahead and click on Save at the top right and click on Publish. Now if you go back to your product section and go to Services at the top right, you will see your ticket. And that's just it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.